Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Wemfowethu weJacinta yazi uyangimangaza kakhulu wena the way uyenza ngakhona izinto okwamanje uphansi phezulu ubawa ugovernment ukuthi akusecure akunikeze isecurity ezokugada ngoba abantu bakusala emuva bafuna ukukubulala impilo yakho isengcopheni kanti akuwena obo uthi nge-30 June uyolungisa ugovernment akuwena bomachisa abantu uthi wena ulungisa ugovernment namhlanje phoku ngani sewusaba kubulawa wena and do you think ngalento oyenzayo kahle kahle ungaza ubusa thothi kuleso stage sokuthi ugovernment angeza akunikeze isecurity yokuthi life yakho ibe safe uyiqalelani into if awukwazi ukuyigcina awungitshele la singakayikude wena uspecial ngani wena Jacinta uspecial ngani lokho kokuthi igovernment ingaze ikuphe nesecurity laba obabulele wena laba abafe ngenxa yakho bona ababalulekanga kunabantu abaningi obacochile Jacinta embedlela kunabantu abaningi bazalele emahlathini kunabantu abaningi abazalele endleleni bashona ngendaba yakho wena namhlanje nguwe sewusaba ukufa mara mawubulala abanye kuyavuma kuba right yonke into nje iba right nethi ukuthi makuza ukufa kwakho wena Jacinta sekuyamangasa sekuyathusa labantu baseMalawi bebafela lapha negangeni ababalulekanga bona abayidinganga futhi isecurity from kugovernment labantu abahlukumezayo wena Jacinta wena nalabantu bafayo ngendaba yakho egameni lakho nxa yaletho ithoyi yakho abakabaluleke nethi wena nguwe kuphela obalekile ukuze igovernment ikunikele isecurity elalela la wena Jacinta mawufuni igovernment mfowethu ikunikeze isecurity khohlwa mawufuni isecurity from anywhere zitholele yakho wena isecurity company amabouncer wakho azokubhouncer uzobabhadela from your own pocket money and I just want to tell you something and I just want to tell your husband something Jacinta your husband doesn't love you at all do you know manje wena Jacinta wena you can't travel to any African continent to any African country like right now because of what you did Mara, do you know your husband can travel to go anywhere any country freely do you know that if ihusband yakho indoda yakho ingaya emazweni wena iyofika da ingaphika ukuthi ayihambisana nalento wena oyenzayo bayiphathe kahle bayiphathe fresh mara wena mawungasuka manje kuthiwa ufuna uhamba uye emazweni Jacinta bangafika bakubulale why ngithi indoda yakho ayikuthandi lento oyenzayo it's provoking lento oyenzayo uzibangela izitha lento oyenzayo ayibonisi ubufazi so ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi indoda yakho mangabe bekuthanda bezokuyeka ulethe izitha endlini bezokuyeka uyenze wonke lo msangano ngoba ukuhetheka kwakho emva kokuthi bakubulele or bakulimazile ukuhetheka kwendoda yakho so indoda yakho mayikuyekela uyenza wonke lo msangano mfana kusho ukuthi indoda yakho ayikuthandi mfowethu so Musa ukucela usizo from ku-government Jacinta uyiqale uwedwa lento leyo uzibangele ama-NM uwedwa cubeka wena uzifunela isecurity uwedwa ugovernment akazokunikeza lutho ngoba uphakela mthakathi sekathole 3 million nawe sowunomona sowufuna nawe ugovernment akwenzele iplan ukuthi ube safe uba safe njani from ku-government ngoba wena ungumlungisi we-government azi mina ngiyitholisisa into yakho ulungisa i-government uncenge i-security from ku-government impilo yakho esengcopheni kwenzakalani akathi wena uthe ulungisa u-government wena maye yini oyifuna lungisa u-government aqonde ngqo ayikho i-security ozoyithola from ku-government sorry.
At this point, I need to start speaking about the injustice on Jessita Zuma. Yes, it may surprise you because I really do not see anything bad in what she did now. Yes. Do you know why? Because the government are actually saying the same thing that Jessita is saying to the whole world. If Jessita called us criminal, government officials also call us criminal. Jessita called us, we are the one doing so many bad things in the country. The minister also confirmed it. Yes, and the minister did not condemn the violence. She did not talk about the looting. She did not talk about how people are being chased out of their homes. She's still talking about the same thing that Jessita is saying that instigates violence. So why are you arresting her? You and Jessita has no any different whatsoever. Because in what you are saying as a minister right now, I don't respect you. Right now, you have already built hatred in my heart. And I'm not happy about it. Because I don't like keeping things, they don't deserve my body. But you are building it. Because if a minister could say that, why are you not arresting Jessita? Because you are also instigating violence. You are also telling the common man on the streets that you think Jessita, she's the one leading them. You are also leading them even more powerful than Jessita. Yes, because you are confirming what they are fighting for. And you appreciate it by demanding more accountability. They should come and tell you where they've hidden the drugs. And a lot of South Africans are also saying that Nigerians are selling drugs. If a sitting minister can say that on the camera, why are you arresting Jessita? I don't know if you people will understand what I'm saying, but right now I am not creating content. I am not creating content. I am saying it because Jessita's word, how she advocates fighting for immigrants, generates violence. Yes, creates more what? Hostility. Creates more powerful word that people will say, yes, they are fighting for our rights. Let's go and do it. And the minister said the same thing. So why are you arresting Jessita? Because your words creates, generates, dominates hostility. So you don't have to arrest her. Like I said, this is not content. This is how I'm feeling it. If a sitting minister will create that kind of a word, will say that kind of a word on a national TV, it's the same thing that Jessita has been saying. And it's the same thing that makes a lot of South Africans believe that a lot of criminality is happening in the country. And that is why they are fighting for their rights. So why are you arresting Jessita? As a sitting minister, you should be arrested because your word too instigates hostility, violence, and division.
This man right here is calling out Jacinta to say, why do you need the government to intervene now to protect your life while you have put so many lives at risk? Like, why? It doesn't make any sense. Now you see the importance of life because obviously it's your life. But when it's other people, you don't even care. You don't see anything wrong with what you are doing. And I saw another man also saying the very same thing. What, Jacinta, why are you calling the government? Because when you were saying you are going to fix the government, which is just something else, guys, because hey, it's a lot. It's a lot, guys. Because right now, when we look at everything that has unfolded, in South Africa, people that have lost their lives, people that have gotten their businesses destroyed, people that have got their properties destroyed. A lot of horrible things happened. We point back at Ujacinta because she is the one who started this. She is the one that came up with this program to say we are going to do much and much. And unfortunately, there are criminals out there. There are horrible people out there. They then take this as an opportunity and used it in a very wrong way, which Tina, as people, when we look at this whole thing that has unfolded, that has happened in South Africa, the chaos that happened in South Africa, we point back at Ujacinta to say she is the one responsible because she is the one who came up with this program. She is the one that started everything to say we are fighting against illegal immigrants and then shifted to say we are fighting against foreigners. And chiki other South Africans were affected. We point back at her. So why does she feel like her own life is more important than those that have lost their lives, than those that were affected with all these things that were happening in South Africa? But anyway, guys, I don't want to say much. Please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.